Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching mockups in Canva that are perfect for selling on Etsy. Even if you're brand new to design, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional-looking mockup ready to showcase your products and help attract more customers to your Etsy shop. Let's jump right in. Start by heading over to Canva. If you're new to Canva, just open your browser and go to the website. It's completely free to sign up and you don't need any special software. Once you're logged in, click the Create button in the top right corner. This is where every new project begins. For this mockup, choose Custom Size. A small canvas like 100 by 100 pixels is simple, easy to work with, and great for testing ideas. Type in the width and height. Then create your new design. Canva will open a blank canvas where you can start building. Now it's time to add your mockup. On the left-hand side, click the Elements tab. Here you'll find graphics, frames, backgrounds, and mockup templates. Use the search bar to look for the product type you want to sell, something like frame mockup, shirt mockup, mug mockup, or anything related to your Etsy niche. Browse through the options and choose one that matches your style. Taking a moment to pick the right mockup makes a big difference when shoppers browse your listings. Drag your chosen mockup onto the canvas. From here, you can start customizing it to match your brand and product style. Still in the Elements tab, try adding shapes, borders, textures, or small decorative graphics. For example, if you're selling printable wall art, you can add a minimal border or a soft shadow. If you're listing greeting cards, you can include floral accents or subtle icons that match your shop aesthetic. Think about what makes your listing stand out on Etsy. Play with colors, layers, and placement until the mockup feels lively and polished. Canva makes editing easy. Just click and drag to resize or reposition elements. And if something doesn't look right, simply undo and try a different layout. This flexibility lets you experiment without any pressure. Once your mockup looks exactly how you want, it's time to download it. Click Share in the top right, then choose Download. Canva will ask which file type you prefer. PNG is usually the best choice because it keeps your image sharp and clear, which is super important for Etsy listings. Download the final design and save it to your computer. The final step is uploading it to Etsy. Go to your Etsy shop, open the product listing, and upload the mockup you just created. This fresh custom image is what customers will see first, and a beautiful mockup can dramatically increase clicks and conversions. Presentation is everything on Etsy, and now you have a professional visual that truly highlights your product. And that's all it takes. You've created your own Etsy mockup using Canva, and you're ready to showcase your products with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and feel free to drop a comment if you have questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides just like this. Happy creating!